Here's another question which we've got sent in by a student. This one's algebraic fractions. If you want me to make a video solution for your question, send it to me using the details in the description. And if you are interested in private tutoring, visit our website skittles.school to book a free demo lesson. Okay, let's take a look at this question. Here's the question on our virtual whiteboard. I'm going to start by recognizing that the denominators of both of the fractions are polynomials, which means we can factorize them. So let's start by factorizing the first one. So for the first fraction, our numerator is staying the same. It's still 2. But let's factorize that denominator. So m squared minus 8m plus 15 becomes m minus 5, m minus 3. And m minus 3. And the second fraction, we're going to do the same thing. The denominator is going to get factorized, and the numerator will stay the same. So the numerator is still 1, and the denominator, when we factorize it, m squared minus m minus 6 becomes m minus 3 and m plus 2. Okay, so that's our factorized form. Now, the key principle of subtraction of fractions is to make the denominators the same. We have to find a common denominator. So how can we make them the same using multiplication? Well, we can recognize that there's an m minus 3 in both of them. So if we multiply the first one by m plus 2, and if we multiply the second one by m minus 5, we will have all 3 of them in both fractions. But with fractions, whatever we do to the denominator, we must do the same to the top. So for the first fraction, we multiplied the denominator by m plus 2. We must also multiply the numerator by m plus 2. And for the second fraction, we multiplied the denominator by m minus 5. So we must also do that to the top. Okay, now we can expand this. So we found a common denominator. So we keep that as our denominator. So the denominator is still m minus 5, m minus 3, and m plus 2, because that's the same for both of them. Now let's expand the numerators. So on the left, 2m plus 2, expanded, 2 times m is 2m, 2 times positive 2 is positive 4. And on the right, minus 1 times m is minus m, and minus 1 times minus 5 is positive 5. Okay, we're almost there. Now we simplify the numerator using algebra. So 2m, take away m, is just m. And positive 4, add 5, is positive 9. And again, we're going to keep that denominator the same. So the denominator is still m minus 5, m minus 3, and m plus 2. And that's it. That's the answer to the question. And that's all there is to it. So the key skills that we've used in this question are subtraction of fractions, factorising a polynomial, and simplifying algebra. If you want me to make a video solution for your math question, send it in using the details in the description. And if you are interested in private tutoring, visit our website skittles.school to book a free demo lesson. Okay, until tomorrow, thanks for watching.